Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Boers with the Mike Boers channel. Thank you for watching. In the event that your dryer is leaving black marks on your clothes or towels or whatever, in today's video, we're going to talk about the common cause that does that or leads to that. Let's take a look. DIYers making our way to the kitchen area and a special gift from my younger brother, Miles. Down below in the comments and description will be a link on how to properly hang a neon sign. If you're wondering if we love it, we do. Let's come out to the utility room and open up this. Here is where our GE Laundry Center is, and we are huge fans of the laundry center design or option when it comes to washer and dryer. However, let's go inside here and talk about the common cause. Right on the back side is where all the heat comes into the dryer and dries your clothes. However, coming inside to the back side, you have a felt pad inside here, and you can barely make it out, but it's there. See it right there? And unfortunately, over time, what happens is that begins to disintegrate and wear out, and pieces of it begin to fall and mix with your clothes and end up in here, your screen or lint vent system. And that immediate contact, when pieces of that felt pad break free and end up in the clothes, the generated heat from the dryer gives it a black mark. In addition, that little section that the felt pad came loose and broke free, unfortunately, clothes can get jammed in that location, and that is where you experience an aggressive black mark or stain on your clothes. Alright, DIYers, hey, quick break in the action, and I have removed the entire front panel to the dryer, and you are looking at the internal side of that panel. And here is the vent for the lint, and comes down here and cycles out of the exhaust. And taking a look at this felt pad right here that loops all the way around the bottom portion and either side of the insert here. And not sure if you can see it, but if you look right here and feed down, the felt pad itself is no longer being held in place by these plastic tabs. And that's a problem because it should be. Let me give you a better view. And looking at this photo, you can see the dryer felt pad is not brand new. It has shrunk and has begun to disintegrate, and it has created a gap in between the plastic tabs and the inner frame here. And that is where your dryer spins. And when the felt pad shrinks and disintegrates to this size, it makes it a lot easier for clothes to get stuck in that gap and rub on this felt pad and gather those black streaks or marks on your clothes. To the next photo, and we are rounding to the right and up, and you can see again the felt pad has shrunk. It is no longer, literally no longer able to fulfill the gap in between the plastic tab and the frame. So again, a perfect and very inviting area or gap or space for your clothes to get caught in. To the next photo, and as you can see, I have begun to remove the felt pad from this side, and right about here, again, is where it is no longer held in place by those tabs, and you can see it's just falling out as I pull it out. In this photo, you can see the entire old felt pad has been removed. Making progress. In this photo, you can see the brand new felt pad is installed. Now to a close-up view, and here is the bottom portion, and the new felt pad fulfills that entire gap between the frame and all of the plastic tabs all the way around, making it very difficult for clothes to get caught in that slot or gap. And to the last photo, it's just rounding up and to the right, and again, that brand new felt pad is fulfilling that gap. So DIYers, that's what we wanted to show you in this video. Again, down below in the comments and description will be a link on how to properly and safely replace your felt pad. And DIYers, we hope this helps. Do us a favor. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.